NATO nations unite to create a high-tech border defense system. In a recent announcement, Lithuania's interior minister revealed a groundbreaking initiative. 6 NATO countries, including Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Poland, Finland, and Norway, are collaborating to construct a drone wall aimed at bolstering their border security. This unprecedented project is intended to enhance protection against provocations and smuggling activities from neighboring unfriendly countries, particularly Russia. The concept of a drone wall entails an integrated system where drones and advanced technologies are employed alongside traditional physical infrastructure and surveillance systems. The goal is to create a comprehensive defense mechanism capable of responding to various security threats. By incorporating unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, the drone wall will offer real-time monitoring and rapid response capabilities, significantly enhancing the border security measures of the involved nations. Functionality of the drone wall. The primary function of the drone wall is to provide enhanced surveillance and detection capabilities. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors will patrol the border areas, offering a continuous aerial overview. This real-time data will be transmitted to central command centers, allowing for immediate analysis and response. The drones will be able to identify and track unauthorized activities, such as illegal crossings and smuggling operations, and relay this information to border security personnel. In addition to surveillance, the drone wall will incorporate counter-drone technology to mitigate threats from hostile UAVs. This includes systems designed to detect, track, and neutralize unauthorized drones that may attempt to infiltrate the border airspace. By combining surveillance and counter-drone capabilities, the drone wall aims to create a robust and adaptable defense system. Visualizing the drone wall. Visually, the drone wall is expected to be a network of strategically positioned UAVs and ground-based sensors. These drones will fly along predefined routes, creating a virtual barrier in the sky. The ground sensors will complement the aerial surveillance by providing additional data points and enhancing the overall situational awareness. Control stations equipped with advanced data processing systems will manage the operations, ensuring seamless coordination between aerial and ground units. The integration of drones with physical barriers, such as fences and watchtowers, will further strengthen the defense infrastructure. Surveillance drones will operate continuously, powered by advanced battery technologies or renewable energy sources, ensuring uninterrupted monitoring. The entire system will be designed to operate autonomously with minimal human intervention, relying on artificial intelligence to process data and make real-time decisions. While the specifics of the funding, timeline, and technical aspects of the drone wall are yet to be disclosed, the participating nations are optimistic about the project's potential. EU funds may play a crucial role in its development, and each country involved is expected to contribute to the project based on their individual requirements and capabilities. The concept of a drone wall represents current advancements in border security technology. By leveraging the capabilities of drones and other cutting-edge technologies, the participating NATO countries aim to create a formidable defense system that can adapt to evolving threats and enhance their national security. As the project progresses, it will be interesting to see how this innovative concept transforms from a strategic plan into a tangible reality.